This is the trip on Open House Hostel. It's where I came after the other two, where I spent just one night, and I will be here in total of 11 nights by the time I get to check out. So yeah. Yeah, pool table, makeshift breakfast table for the buffet. It's the kitchen, all day coffee, fridge. So that's the living room with the reception and the TV. Bit of a sitting area. Fellow guests. So in there, there's a big dorm, quite a few beds. I haven't been in there. Not my place to go. It's another little sitting area. Lots of seats. So there's one room there with a big double bed and a bunk bed, bathroom. There's another dorm room there. Here is my room. So it's kind of like, oh, they're like capsules. So there's 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top, so 6 beds. And you got a little, right at the end there's a little shelf and a light, charging point, and a curtain. No towels included. It's all wet, she's just cleaned. So there's big lockers here, 1 each, and a bathroom. I even got a bathtub. I don't know whether anybody uses it. Yeah, big shower, piping hot water, massive pressure, excellent little bathroom. So it's a big old house. So yeah. So yeah, there's the beds, good, nice mattresses. They give you a top sheet, no towels. Breakfast is included. There's good coffee. There's fruit. There's toast bread and muesli and milk. And it's the cheapest was on Booking.com. Their walk-in price and the price on their own site is much more than the Booking.com price. So yeah, not just a little bit, yeah, but be careful. The Booking.com price does not include the VAT, which is 13%. But anyway, it was about $11.20, and in total I would have spent like 5 nights here. I'm sorry, 11 nights. And yeah, again, it's a good place. I can recommend it based on my nights here. So yeah, nomadic backpacker at the trip on Open House Hostel, San José, Costa Rica.